All right, welcome to everybody over at JMS Plumbing and Heating. My name is Nathan Bruce. I'm going to show you 3 ways today how to increase your traffic online. All right, we're going to talk about backlinks, we're going to talk about citations, and we're going to talk about content. All right, this is all definitely going to help you, not even just for the near future, but for the long run, okay, of your company and whatever goals and possible dreams that you have for your personal life too. This is definitely going to help out. So stick with me. It's going to be less than 10 minutes. I'm not even going to have you here 10 minutes. All right, so I'm going to get right into it with your website. All right, I'm glad that you guys got, book appointments online and the call now buttons. That's exactly what we like to see. The first thing I'm going to talk with you about today is content. Now, content is anything on your website, even what pictures are saved as. Okay, so what we want to do is I'm going to look at. Let me see if I can save this picture. What Google likes to see and what they're going to do is rank you further, even put you on like the first page of whatever customers are looking up. So, for example, plumbers, Syracuse, New York. They want to see that you have these photos with your name in it, okay? So saved as blank with your business name in it. So I'm glad you guys got that there, all right? The second thing, I looked up JMS Plumbing, Heating, Syracuse on Google, and what I saw was your Google My Business. All right, so a citation, that's the second thing today. A citation is your business name, your address, and your phone number, which you guys have down pat, which is good to see. As far as reviews, this sticks out to me too. A good amount of reviews. It also can't hurt to get more. So make sure you're focusing on getting more reviews. All right. And for photos, I want to make sure you guys have a good amount of photos. All right. So if you guys have 3 photos, okay. We definitely need more than 3 photos, 100%. So that's something else that we got to focus on, just implementing. Like 10, 15, 20 to start. We need around 20 pictures. So at your jobs, ask some people who work for you, or you can do it yourself. Start getting some more pictures and put it on there. Or I could possibly do that for you. All right, we could work together and get that all squared away. All right, so I'm gonna look up plumber, Syracuse, New York. So one thing I want to tell you right here, Google guarantees are amazing. All right. A lot of people have ad blockers on their devices, so Google guarantees are always showing. All right, so regular ads sometimes don't pop up for those types of people. All right, that's just something to keep in mind. Right here we have the Google Map Pack, and the businesses that are in here usually get the most calls. Okay, so we want to get your business in that Map Pack as well. Then we scroll down here, we have the directories. So directories are websites that let businesses put their information in there. Okay, so Angie's List, Yelp does this. What else? Facebook, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages, things like that. That's a directory. Okay, and then we start getting into the organic listings. That's pretty much where the businesses start popping up. All right, so we have DBR Plumbing that pops up first. We gotta get in that first spot. All right, we gotta do whatever it takes. The third and final thing I'm going to talk with you about today is backlinks. Backlinks have a lot to do with this organic listings area. Not all backlinks are created equal, and a backlink is simply another website that has an ad in it that points to your website. Okay, and that's what's bringing in more potential traffic. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to make sure I don't see APP Plumbing or AP Plumbing. I don't see you guys on this first page, so that's something that we have to do. All right, we got to get you guys to that first page. So this website right here, this is Ahrefs. I pay for this monthly, but again, this is something that you can do on your own. All this is something that you could do on your own. I just know business owners don't have a lot of extra time, so having somebody else do it for them is definitely worth it. So Ahrefs pays Google for these numbers. All right, so these numbers are quite accurate. I don't see any data for you guys. You guys are ranking for one keyword. Let's see what that is. JMS Plumbing. Okay. I mean, that works. but we got to do more. We got to do more keywords. Keywords are super powerful, and I'll show you what I mean by that in a moment. We have DBR Plumbing, all right. Their website's okay. They have a lot of work to do with that. I don't personally love this website, but these are their numbers, all right. So the URL rating, that's how much trust that Google has in their website, and the domain rating is how much power that Google gives your website. Okay, the domain rating. So they're sitting at a 2, which they have a lot of work to do. So 71 referring domains are giving them 670 backlinks. Historically, they've had 3,000 of them, but these are the ones that are live currently. All right, I can tell that these backlinks are not helping them out at all because this domain rating is so low. Okay, there's a direct correlation between these numbers. All right, and then the keywords, they're ranking for 92. They're bringing in around 300 people a month to their website. All right, these are monthly numbers. They're bringing around $3,000 a month with their website. So if we take a look at their keywords real quick, you'll see anything that anyone types in on Google and searches for is technically a keyword. Okay, so you got to make sure you're not doing national keywords as well. You want to do kind of like your region, your town. Again, Syracuse Plumbing. We want to rank for that, and as you can see, they're ranking first for that. So when we look at this volume, that's monthly people searching for this keyword. They're getting most of these 500 calls. Okay, think about what an extra 500 calls could do for your business. All right, that really does change lives. Okay, depending on how much each job is worth, however much you make, 500 extra calls, extra clients a month, that can help out any business. So as you can see, position, they're ranking first for Plumber Syracuse, Syracuse Plumbing, Plumber Syracuse, New York. This could go on and on. Let's do an example. Not their name though. Needs Syracuse Plumbers, gas leak repair, Syracuse, New York. Even that, 100 extra customers. Think about how powerful that could do. How good that could do for your website, your business. An extra 200-300. What could that? Think about it. Start thinking like big here. I treat my business as my baby, so I'm gonna do whatever it takes to take care of my business. I'm thinking big. All right. I don't have any limitations. Okay. I think huge on this stuff. An extra 200, 300, 400 customers a month. Like, what is that going to do for my business? It's going to do insane amounts. Okay, we can help out so many people, and it all starts here. It's the online presence because everyone is on their phones nowadays. Okay, whether it's a laptop or a regular computer or their phone, everyone's got a phone nowadays. You got to start thinking like this. We can check out AP Plumbing right now. You know, their website's a little better. Okay, not much. They have a lot of work to do too. So, getting your website to be better than theirs is not going to be hard either. Okay, these are their numbers, but again, they're not putting in all the work that they need to do. All right, whoever they have helping them out is not doing a good job. Okay, they're bringing in $1,000 a month. Okay, using their website, that's nothing. That's chump change. 80 keywords. See, they're ranked 8th for Syracuse Plumbing and Plumbing Syracuse, New York. You know, they're not really getting any of these calls. You know, being ranked 8th, we got to be ranked first. Okay, ain't number 1. All right. So if you like what you see here today, definitely give me some feedback. All right, I'd like to hear from you guys. All right, this stuff isn't that hard. Okay, there's not too much room for error if we do all this stuff right. Okay. Again, website building. If we want more customers, we can do that. We can find the customers that need these services. All right. Start thinking big. Start treating your business like your baby. You know, it's not. How do I even want to say this? This isn't as hard as business owners might think. You know, it's a lot of information, but this is good information. This is the information that you're going to need. All right. Every business nowadays needs a website. Every business nowadays needs a social presence. All right. So this is the start. All right. Tell me what you guys think. Let me know. My name is Nathan Bruce. I'm signing off. Thank you for sharing this 10 minutes with me. I appreciate it. Have a good one.